很多中国人说我们新加坡人说的英文里面很有泰国腔，所以我们现在示范给你们看什么叫做泰国英文。
Hi sir, sir, you want big size, small size นะคะ You big size, here only go AAL. No, 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 AAL. Sir, you too big size นะคะ They really like that, no?
Okay lah, pass lah, pass.
Okay, go, your turn.
Sawadika, sir, how can I help you? Are you the shoe lady? Please take out 鞋子脱下来 Thank you very much.
OK， 你假装你是 Thai Air Stewardess， 然后我上去 Thai Airline， 然后我要吃饭。
Welcome, sir. You want chicken or beef?
Do you have fish?
Sorry, no fish, sir. Only chicken or beef.
But I only like fish.
No fish, no fish.
Then I will take the beef. What seasoning is your beef?
My
I put my armpit hair in your food na. You ask so many questions. You want to eat, you eat. No eat, no